about that, huh? Second to last or third to last fall cleanup. That Japanese maple is probably 60% done. Got another 40% left to go, but in the meantime, blew out all my bushes. Man, I feel great. Just so satisfying to be able to see it so clean for a change. What should I do now? When I went to go buy a thermostat for my daughter's car, I asked them about recycling batteries and do they do what AutoZone does. I called AutoZone and they said that they're not sure if it's $5 or $10 gift card per battery. And they don't take lawn tractor batteries, only car batteries. They'll take them, but they probably won't give you any money for it. Well, Advanced Auto Parts gives you $10 for even a lawn tractor battery. These 3 batteries I've been trying to rejuvenate for this past year. These are done. I mean, these are done. So I'm gonna go and trade these in for a $30 store credit. I got 2 other ones too, but they'll only take 3 at a time. So I'll do that when I'm out again. This is the only small thing I have in my shed to fix. I've done everything else. I only have 2 tractors to fix in my inventory. I don't have anything else except for this. This is the only thing left over that I got from Motherload 32 from Nick Iardi in West Iceland. It's a Tecumseh snowblower engine. It's missing the gas tank, and it also came with this magneto. However, it has a magneto already. This is a Tecumseh engine, has no gas tank. Like I said, I'm trying to figure out the model number, but it doesn't say. On this side, there's one of those electric starts, but the electric starts on the Tecumseh usually has an already included wire that's on there. I don't believe this is it. This goes into the engine, so this is not the wire for the starter. This starter looks like it works where you just put the positive on here and there's no switch or nothing either, you know. I think there might have been, but you see it's been cut. I'm not sure if this is because usually the ones on the snowblowers, right, with the already enclosed wire on it, goes here to a push button, and it doesn't usually have this part where you, like a lawn tractor, where you put a positive connection on here. So I'm not sure if this is 12 volt or 110. I'm not sure. I just don't know. And I don't want to put the wrong current on there and fry it. But from the appearance of this, it looks like it's a 12 volt. You know what I mean? I'm sorry. A 12 volt, like a lawn tractor. Should I just put 12 volts to it with a jumper pack and see if it moves? I could fry it that way. I guess it's safer. If it was 110 and I put 12 volts to it, it wouldn't hurt it, right? If I put 110 volts to a 12 volt, that would hurt it. So I'll try 12 volts first. And then, because these starters are actually really expensive for the older ones. This is one of those, it looks like a flow jet, but it's not. But it has that type of carburetor on it. It has the fuel adjustment screw on the bottom. I guess we could just spray something, but let's pull it first and see if you feel any Guys, there is no compression. It's just freewheeling. Let's take the spark plug out and see if the piston moves. I know I didn't grab a spark plug socket. I just want to do it. Oh, see, it's not even on there. Barely. No, you're not going to be able to stick the piston in there because it's not matched up with the piston. You can't tell. I'll put my finger over it. See. Nope, I feel no pressure whatsoever. I believe this engine is done something. Should we take it apart and see? Oh, what else am I going to do with it, right? Yeah, this is not going to start up no matter what I do because there's no compression. It moves freely. Free! Let's see if there's spark. Ooh, there's actually spark, I believe. Yeah, there's spark. I can feel it. Not feel it, but I can see it. And I can feel it clicking, you know, click, 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 click. Surprised I'm not getting shocked. So there is spark, but I don't think there's any compression, which means either valves are not moving, but I don't feel any air, you know, suction, vacuum. So I don't think the piston's moving at all. Oh well, I don't know what I was going to do with this thing anyway. But I would like to test the starter though, just to see. Let's go put a jumper pack on here real quick and see. Okay, I've got my jumper pack. I'm going to put this to ground. Just put it on here or something. And I'll put this onto this thing here. Alright, let's see if it turns. Ooh! So it's 12 volt. Look, crank's moving too. Well, that's pretty convenient, I gotta say. You know what? Let's just, for the hell of it, just for the hell of it, Diet Coke. Let's take the air cleaner off, put the spark plug back in again, spray some, I was gonna say spray some jizz in it. You kids under 18 shouldn't listen. Cover your ears. Holy cow, plenty of stuff going on here. Any of you guys have seen this model snowblower engine? Leave it in the comments. While I'm taking this nut off, so I can, while I take this nut off and spray some jizz in there, you guys can tell me if you've been buying my damn stickers, man. I haven't had a sticker sale in years. And it will take the filter off. You know, it looks pretty clean actually. There's a choke lever here. The choke is like that, so I'll open it to spray. And we'll choke it back up again. And let's turn on this thing and see if it turns over. Yeah, I mean, it's not drawing any fuel in there. It's not going to combust, you know. It's pointless because the piston's not moving. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that it's Dunsky, but we know that the starter works. Let me figure out what model number this is, and I'll just remove the starter and sell it. But it's going to be worth some money. And all we're talking about is money. It's the whole reason why we do this, right? Oh, and learn about small engine machines too. But in the end, it's really just about the money. So I can't find the model number to it at all, so I'm just going to remove the starter. I'll include some pictures here so you guys can see. I don't know what the point is actually. Never mind. But some nut will buy this starter. Bolt. Of course the thing is out of battery. Got my other one. This one's really on there. Not budging. 7/16. Try to 3/8 impact. Get it in there. Yeah. There we go. There's a starter. That's what it looks like. It's cool. This will sell for something. So I'll take pictures of this and list it. Works.
Henry.
Mowers and blowers.
Mowers and blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.